Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another new release video. Today I have two collections that are releasing in the shop, so I'm really excited about these. I think that they're just great summery kits and I'm just really excited. So I'm going to just jump in and show you guys the first collection. So this is, hang on, I gotta divide it all up here. So this is the Summer Nights collection and it's like the perfect camping kit. It just really made me think of summer with s'mores and just camping. I guess you could also kind of use this as like a fall type of theme because I know people like go camping in the fall and like they think of s'mores in the fall. I personally think of s'mores like more in the summertime, but you could definitely use it in the fall, I guess, if you wanted. So those are the full boxes. Then we just have the checklist, your washi strips, heart checklist, work labels, movie, what are these? Flags. Wow, I can't think today. And then these little like dot stickers. Then you have your half boxes, your bill dues, your habit trackers, some scallop labels, and then a currently reading. And then you have your little things and washi strips and your headers and another full box, which is just s'mores, again, or not s'mores, it's marshmallows, but going with the s'more theme. And then you have your, what are these things called? Oh my goodness, I can't think today. Your date dots, your date covers, wow. And hydrate stickers, these little check boxes of flight info, and then some more half boxes. And then you have your functional type of stickers. And I changed up the weekend banner, which I'm really excited about. I love that weekend banner, so I'm excited for that change. So that is the full kit. Then of course we have the mini kit, which again just has these gorgeous full boxes. I absolutely love this photo kit, you guys. Then you have, you know, your headers, little things, date covers, washi, your half boxes, quarter boxes, checklists, some sidebar stuff, a bill due, more half boxes, and then a movie night sticker. And then of course your functional sheet, which I again switched up the weekend banner. But guys, I love that weekend banner. How beautiful is that? And of course it comes with your glitter headers. Then moving into, if you guys didn't know, we are now offering mini happy planner kits. So it just comes with this 2-page kit. I'll kind of give you a close-up of the like full boxes. They're not really full boxes, but the little boxes here for that. And then you just have like your functional thing and your side washi, or whatever you want to call it. I absolutely love it. So it's just very like woodsy and I don't know, I love it. And then I don't think I've ever shown this in a video because we just came out with these for $2 Tuesday, but they are a permanent addition to the shop. But when I released them, it was on a $2 Tuesday. And I have kits for the Hobonichi Weeks planner. So it's just this cute little 1-page kit, and then it comes with this little, you know, little, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. It comes with this. So it's basically 2 pages, but this is like, I wouldn't count this as a full page, but I just couldn't, I wanted to make this sheet the same size to fit in your Hobonichi. Actually, let me pull mine over and I'll show you guys how this works. So here's my Hobonichi. This kit just like fits right in the planner perfectly, so you can take it with you. And this is actually one of our, it's a tropical vacation kit, and I haven't used, like, I don't use a ton of stickers in my Hobonichi, but here's just kind of an example of like how I use mine. I feel like I used more in this spread than I do this one, but anyway, I really like them. I'm obsessed with this. I really like this little planner. So but yeah, so we have Hobonichi kits as well. And the next kit, I'm so excited because this is actually a reformat of a kit that came out last year, and it is the wedding kit. So this is called Forever and Always. I love these full boxes. I think this is perfect if you, sorry, there's like a thing there. If you are attending a wedding or you are getting married this summer, I think this is perfect. I actually have 2 weddings that I'm attending this summer. I'm actually in one of them and James is in the other one, so I definitely will probably use this. The first wedding, the one that James is in, it's for his friend, and it's the week of my birthday, so it's like a couple days after my birthday, so I'm probably going to use a birthday kit for that. But I'm going to use this one for my sister's wedding, which is in September, and I just think this is like the perfect like little wedding kit. I love it. I actually used this in my spread last year for my anniversary in December, so if you guys watched that plan with me, you would have seen this, but this is just the reformat version of it. And so you have your little things, washi strips, headers, another full box. I love this full box. It just says forever, and ugh, I love it. Then you have your washi, your checklist, work labels, movie sticker, half boxes, quarter boxes, like just, I mean, you guys have seen my kit, so I probably don't need to tell you exactly what is on each sheet, but I don't know, it's habit, I guess. And again, I also changed up the weekend banner on this one as well. So that is the full kit, and I know I say this in every video, I just want to make sure you guys know, if you shop on our website, this is website only, you can get these sheets a la carte, so you can kind of build your own kit, which I really like that idea, because some, like, you know, there's some stuff in kits that you wouldn't want to use, so this allows you to purchase exactly what you know you're going to use. Okay, then we have our mini kit. Mini kit is not a la carte, but you can purchase the mini kit, and then if you need like extra of something, you can purchase like any of the full kit sheets. So anyway, has the same full boxes, and then you just have your kind of more functional stuff. So that's the mini kit. And again, we have the Happy Planner stuff. I love this side washi. Oh my goodness, I love it. So I really like this. And then we have the Hobonichi kit. That's what that looks like. It's just pretty simple. Oh, guys, you guys, I just found a mistake that I'm gonna need to fix. Oh my goodness. This does not belong in there. I don't know what happened, but this is the wood from the other collection, so I'm gonna need to go fix that. Oops. But other than that little mess up, this is what the Hobonichi kit will look like. I just have to fix that. That's really funny. Like, how did I miss that? Wow. Anyway, and then you also get this little sheet with it as well. And then of course we have the glitter headers. I just love the colors in this kit, you guys. They're so pretty. Okay guys, so that is it for this week's new releases. I hope you enjoyed them. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did. Also, for just this weekend only, so this video is, you're gonna see this on Friday, or it's going up on Friday. So for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you can get 25% off if you use this code, and it is good all weekend long. So you can pick up any of these things that you've seen that you like, or anything else on our website. And that is gonna be for our website only. That is not a code for Etsy. So if you use it on Etsy, you're not gonna get, it's not gonna work. So all of these items are available on Etsy and my website, but the deal is only for the website. So if you wanna save some money, definitely check out the website, because normally the prices are lower on the website as well, and you just get a much better deal and you get rewards points. So honestly, like, if you're gonna order stickers from me, you really, I mean, I know people like Etsy, but like the better deal is on the website. So if you guys want to save money, definitely go over to the website, and you can use that code and get some more money off, which is awesome. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe for more sticker related fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.